Hey guys, Brian here. You may notice there's a little stack of wood here started. And what this is the outer sheeting for the door, starts of it. So I've got it planed down to the right thickness to where it'll clear. And I'm cutting them to length. And when I get that done, and I'm going to edge them on the joiner. And after that, I'm going to cut 2 1/2-inch notches to overlap it so that rain can't go in behind it, and seal up nice and make a good door that can expand and contract and still stay sealed up. It won't get gaps or cracks in it. So that's a nice project. I've already got these all planed down, so it's just a matter of dragging them in and getting them in the radial arm saw and cutting them to length. Got one of my bandsaw support stands here in the middle, this 16-foot board, and then it's sitting on my bench on the other end, conveniently built to the same height as the saw for that exact reason. So, and it'll just barely clear the welder down there so I can stick it out and cut it off. So that's what I'm working on. So get this sawed up and I'll bring you back. Alright, see if I can get you through the process of getting one of these cut up. All I'm doing is just trying to get the best piece, 2 pieces out of it. So cut off whatever's bad and keep the rest. I don't know if people like watching wood get cut like they do metals, but I figured I'd throw a bit in there anyway. Well, that's that part of it. One stack of fence boards converted, ready to be squared up. Got them all sawn to length. And this should be enough in this stack to do 2 doors. That's all I've got left over right now, so I'll have to get some more to do the other 2 doors, plus to do the back sides of them. So, but this will get a good start on it. Alright, so what we have here is one of my lesser favorite pieces of equipment in the shop. It's probably one of the oldest pieces of equipment in the shop. We've got the Porter 16-inch joiner. Our door boards, I need to get them squared off on one side. I already planed it to the right thickness. Now it's squared up so I can run them through the table saw and cut my lap joints in them. So when I put them on the door flush, they'll be sealed up tight. So that's what I'm going to do. Getting ready to fire this noisy sucker up. It's the loudest piece of equipment in the shop too. This thing's like a helicopter running in here. This 16-inch straight knife blade, it's a loud dude. It's old, got the drip cup oilers on it. So I need to oil them up, haven't run it today. Well, I'll do it. Well, that's it. Another mess created. Got all those boards jointed on the side. So I got two sides square and flat. Now all I gotta do is run them through the table saw and get them squared up and cut the notches in them for the overlap. So time to haul them down to the barn and do that. I moved the table saw down there to get it out of here because it makes too big of a mess. This thing's super messy too, but it's too heavy to move very easily. I've got it on wheels here. Fortunately, once I get my machine tools down there, this will be turned into the wood shop and I'll be able to put this stuff up better and get the dust collection system hooked onto it so we won't have this sawdust everywhere. But that's that. Got a pretty nice sunset there on the horizon. Hard to beat that.